Hello classmates, welcome to our report on elements in chemistry. As the student of this subject, it is important that we have a basic understanding of the building blocks of all matter.
In this report, we will provide a descriptive overview of elements. With a periodic table as our guide, we aim to present a clear and concise understanding of each element. We hope that this report will serve as a useful reference for everyone looking to learn more about the fundamental building blocks of our world.
Hydrogen, highest and most abundant element used as a fuel in the manufacture of chemical. Helium, non-reactive, used in balloons and as a cooling gas in cryogenic. Lithium, light metal used in batteries and as a nuclear fuel. Beryllium, light metal used in aerospace and nuclear industry. Boron, semi-metallic used in the manufacture of ceramic, glass, and electronics. Carbon, non-metal, forms the basic of all known life and is used in the manufacture of steel and plastic. Nitrogen, non-metal, essential for plants' growth and used in the manufacture of fertilizer and explosive. Oxygen, reactive non-metal, essential for respiration and used in the production of steel and other metals. Fluorine, highly reactive halogen used in the production of fluorine-based compounds such as Teflon. Neon, non-reactive noble gas used in neon signs and cryogenic. Sodium, reactive metal used in the manufacture of glass and soaps. Magnesium, light metal used in the aerospace and automotive industry. Aluminum, light metal used in the construction of building, vehicles, and electrical conductors. Silicon, metalloid used in the manufacture of computer chips and solar panels. Phosphorus, non-metal used in the manufacture of fertilizer and phosphorus for electronic screen. Sulfur, non-metal used in the production of sulfuric acid and fertilizer. Chlorine, reactive halogen used in the production of bleach and PVC. Argon, non-reactive noble gas used in the lighting as a shield in welding. Potassium, reactive metal used in the manufacture of fertilizer and soap. Calcium, reactive metal used in the construction and as a dietary supplement. Scandius, rare earth metal used in the high-intensity lamps and aerospace alloys. Titanium, reactive metal used in the aerospace and medical industry. Vanadium, reactive metal used in the production of high-speed steel. Chromium, reactive metal used in the production of stainless steel. Manganese, reactive metal used in the production of steel and aluminum alloys. Iron, reactive metal used in the production of steel and other metals. Cobalt, reactive metal used in the production of high-speed steel and magnetic materials. Nickel, reactive metal used in the production of stainless steel and nickel-cadmium batteries. Copper, reactive metal used in the production of electrical conductors and plumbing. Zinc, reactive metal used in the production of galvanized steel and batteries. Gallium, reactive metal used in the production of electronic components and LEDs. Germanium, metalloid used in the production of electronic components and solar cells. Arsenic, metalloid used in the production of wood, preservatives, and insecticide. Selenium, nonmetal used in the production of photovoltaic cells and glass. Bromine, reactive halogen used in the production of flame retardants and water purification. Krypton, non-reactive noble gas used in the lighting and as a reference gas in chromatography. Rubidium, reactive metal used in the production of atomic clock and magnetic. Strontium, reactive metal used in the production of fireworks and frames. Yttrium, rare earth metal used in the production of electronic components and alloys. Zirconium, reactive metal used in the production of nuclear fuel rods and dental implants. Niobium, reactive metal used in the production of superalloy and pipeline construction. Molybdenum, reactive metal used in the production of stainless steel and high-temperature alloys. Technetium, synthetic metal used in the medical imaging and as a tracer element. Rhodium, reactive metal used in the production of electronic components and catalysts. Rhodium, reactive metal used in the catalytic converter and jewelry. Palladium, reactive metal used in the catalytic converter and jewelry. Silver, reactive metal used in the electrical conductor, jewelry, and coins. Cadmium, reactive metal used in the rechargeable batteries and pigments. Indium, reactive metal used in the electronic component and solder. Tin, reactive metal used in tin plate and solders. Antimony, metalloid used in the flame retardants and materials and alloys. Tellurium, metalloid used in solar cells and electronic components.
Iodine, reactive halogen used in disinfectant and as a trace element in human body.
Xenon, non-reactive noble gas used in lighting and as a surgical anesthetic. Cesium, reactive metal used in atomic clock and in treating cancer. Barium, reactive metal used in the production of fireworks and barium melts for medical imaging. Lanthanum, rare earth metal used in camera lenses and hybrid car batteries.
Dysprosium, rare earth metal used in high-strength magnets and alloy. Neodymium, rare earth metal used in high-strength magnets and laser optics. Promethium, rare earth metal used as a portable power source for pacemaker and other devices. Samarium, rare earth metal used in high-strength magnets and automatic batteries. Europium, a rare earth metal used in LCD displays and energy-efficient light bulbs. Gadolinium, rare earth metal used in magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) contrast agents. Terbium, rare earth metal used in green emitting phosphorus and alloy. Dysprosium, rare earth metal used in high-strength magnets and alloy. Holmium, rare earth metal used in nuclear control rods and high-strength magnets. Erbium, rare earth metal used in optical fibers and amplifiers. Thulium, rare earth metal used in portable X-ray machines and as a portable power source.
Yttrium, rare earth metal used in the production of electronic components and alloys.
Lutetium, rare earth metal used in petroleum refining and as a catalyst. Hafnium, reactive metal used in reactor control rods and superalloy. Tantalum, reactive metal used in high temperature alloys and capacitor. Tungsten, reactive metal used in high temperature alloys and electrical contrast. Rhenium, reactive metal used in high temperature alloys and catalysts. Osmium, reactive metal used in fountain pen tips and electrical contrast. Iridium, reactive metal used in electrical contrast, spark plug, and surgical instrument. Platinum, reactive metal used in catalytic converters, jewelry, and pacemaker. Gold, reactive metal used in electrical conductors, jewelry, and coins. Mercury, toxic metal used in the thermometers, fluorescent light bulbs, and dental fillings. Gallium, toxic metal used in electronic device and as a rat poison. Lead, toxic metal used in batteries, pipes, and bullets. Bismuth, metal used in cosmetic and as a replacement for lead in some application. Polonium, radioactive metal used as a heat source in the space probes and as a poison. Astatine, radioactive metalloid used in cancer treatment and as a source of alpha particles. Radon, radioactive gas used in cancer treatment and as a tracer gas. Francium, radioactive metal used in the atomic clocks and as a source of gamma rays. Radium, reactive metal used in luminous paints and as cancer treatment. Actinium, radioactive metal used as a source of alpha particles and in cancer treatment. Thorium, radioactive metals used in nuclear reactors and as a heat source. Promethium, rare earth metal used as a portable power source for pacemaker and other devices. Uranium, radioactive metal used in nuclear reactors and as a fuel for nuclear weapon. Neptunium, radioactive metal used as a heat source and in cancer treatment. Plutonium, radioactive metal used in nuclear reactors and as a fuel for nuclear weapon. Curium, radioactive metal used in cancer treatment and as a heat source. Berkelium, radioactive metal used in cancer treatment and as a heat source. Californium, radioactive metal used in cancer treatment and as a neutron source. Einsteinium, radioactive metal produced in nuclear explosion and as a heat source. Fermium, radioactive metal produced in nuclear explosion and as heat source. Mendelevium, radioactive metal produced in nuclear explosion and as a heat source. Novelium, radioactive metal produced in nuclear reaction and as a heat source. Lawrencium, radioactive metal produced in nuclear reaction and as a heat source.
Rhodium, reactive metal used in the production of electronic components and catalysts.
Tubnium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Sivurgium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Borium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Hassium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Miderium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Darmstadtium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Roentgenium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Copernicium, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Nihonium is a synthetic element atomic number 113 discovered in 2004, officially recognized by IUPAC in 2016. It is highly radioactive and only produced in a laboratory. Pleurovium, metal, produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Moscovium, metal, produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Livermorium, metal, produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Tensine, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research. Oganesson, metal produced in nuclear reaction and used in scientific research.